Where could Sunny be? She was here a second ago. In the garden. No, it's a jungle in there. She was... Oh, hang on. A sighting. There she goes. Sunny, what you doing? What you doing? Oh, okay. She's smarter than she looks because she'll think she's getting some shade. Hey? What you doing, Sunny? Oh, she's loving it in the shade. Oh, it's hot out here, isn't it? Oh, what you doing, Sunny? Oh, good. She's doing a little number one. Very good. Good girl. Oh no, she's doing number two. She's squeezing it out. Go, Sunny. Yes. Yes. Good girl. Oh my God, still hanging. Oh jeez. Okay. Better. Step away from that poo. Step away from that poo. Sunny, come here. Come on. No. Come on. Come on. Oh dear. Anyway, gotta go.